The temperature at the 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0, that is positive 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour till midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? That is minus 8 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature at the midnight? So we have to find out the temperature. Now temperature at the noon was 10 degrees Celsius, rate of decreasing 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now number of hours. Number of hours from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Is equal to 12 hours. So change in temperature is equal to 12 multiplied by minus 2. So change in temperature is minus 24 degree Celsius. So temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degree Celsius plus minus 24 degree Celsius. 10 degree Celsius plus minus 24 degree Celsius. So the answer is minus 14 degree Celsius. Hence, the temperature at midnight is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. Now for the second part, we have to find out at what time the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we will find out difference in temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius, plus 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius, plus 10 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degree Celsius. Now number of hours required is equal to 18 degrees Celsius divided by decreasing rate, that is 2 degrees Celsius. 2 9s are 18. So the number of hours required is 9 hours. So after 9 hours the temperature would be minus 8 degree Celsius. So time after 9 hours from 12 noon is equal to 9 p.m. So at the 9 p.m. the temperature would be minus 8 degree Celsius. Question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. So for correct answer is equal to 3 marks. For incorrect answer minus 2 marks, and no marks for not attempting any question. So for part 1, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Part 1, Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika got 12 correct answers. So the score would be 12 multiplied by 2 is 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36 marks. So for the correct answer she has scored 36 marks. Now for incorrect answers, (20 minus 36) is equal to minus 16. Number of incorrect questions is equal to minus 16 divided by 2, because for incorrect answers minus 2 marks given. Minus minus cancelled, 2 8s are 16. So she has attempted 8 incorrect answers. Hence Radhika attempt 8 incorrect answers. Part B, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. So she attempted, so Mohini attempted 7 correct answers. So for the correct answers, the score would be 7 multiplied by 3, 21 marks, and she scored minus 5 marks. Now for incorrect answers, minus 5, the score of the Mohini, minus 21, minus minus plus, so the answer is minus 26. So number of incorrect answer is equal to minus 26 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So she has attempted 13 incorrect answers. Hence Mohini attempted 13 incorrect answers.